In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove object in Affinity Photo. We'll use the In-Painting Brush tool, which is the quickest, most beginner-friendly way to clean up distractions like people, signs, or trash so your photo looks polished and intentional. Start by opening your image in Affinity Photo. Before you touch anything, create a new pixel layer above your photo in the Layers panel. This small step keeps your edits non-destructive, meaning you're painting on a separate layer while the original image stays safe underneath. If you don't like a result, you can undo it or even delete the layer without harming your photo. Next, choose the In-Painting Brush tool from the left toolbar, or press the J key to get to it quickly. Look up at the context toolbar across the top and set the sampling option to current layer and below. This tells Affinity Photo to sample pixel information from your original image while you paint on that new, empty layer. It's the ideal setup for clean, flexible retouching. Now, paint over the object you want to remove. Use a brush slightly larger than the object to give the tool enough surrounding context to work with. It's okay to overlap a bit into the background. Those extra pixels help the algorithm blend everything more naturally. Try using steady, confident strokes, especially around edges. For tricky borders, shorter strokes can give the software more chances to figure out the correct texture and direction. When you release the mouse button, Affinity Photo analyzes the nearby area and fills the space with matching pixels. If the result looks off, simply undo and paint again, adjusting your brush size as needed. Sometimes a slightly larger or smaller brush, or painting in a couple of passes, makes all the difference. Keep an eye on lines, patterns, or textures in the scene, and try to paint in the same direction so the fill blends convincingly. This method works beautifully on simple or uniform backgrounds like sky, grass, sand, concrete, or painted walls. On more complex scenes, don't be afraid to make a few quick strokes rather than covering everything at once. Each pass refines the blend and helps the fill match nearby detail more closely. That's it. Open your photo, add a pixel layer, select the In-Painting brush, set it to current layer and below, paint over the distraction with a slightly larger brush, and release to let Affinity Photo do the heavy lifting. With a little practice, you'll remove unwanted objects in seconds and keep your edits clean, reversible, and professional.